Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Leo and I will be continuing with Chapter 2 for your AI courses. As you have learnt from Lisa in the previous chapter, intelligence is when you think and learn, and foolishness is when you don't think and do silly things. Today, we are diving into something super cool and futuristic, artificial intelligence or AI. Let's break it down in a way that's easy to understand. Get ready to meet some super smart machines. Imagine a robot that can think, learn, and solve problems just like you do. That's kind of what AI is. It's when we teach computers to do things that usually need a human brain. We're talking about making machines smart, not just following instructions, but actually thinking and making decisions. One of the coolest examples of AI in action is self-driving cars. These cars can see the road, understand traffic signals, and even avoid obstacles, all without a human driver touching the steering wheel. They use cameras and sensors, and AI helps them make sense of all that information to drive safely. It's like having a super smart robot driver. But you don't need a fancy car to experience AI. You probably use it every day. Think about Siri or Google Assistant on your phone. When you ask them a question, they understand your voice and give you an answer. That's AI. They're using AI to process language and find the information you need. It's like having a helpful, talking computer in your pocket. So, AI is more than just a computer doing calculations. It's about computers understanding, learning, and making decisions. It's about giving machines the ability to think in a way that's similar to how we think. But remember, they do it differently. They use code and data, not feelings or experiences like us. AI is changing the world in so many ways, from helping doctors diagnose diseases to creating amazing art. It's a powerful tool that can help us solve big problems and make our lives easier. But it's also important to remember that AI is created by humans, and we need to use it responsibly. So that's AI in a nutshell. It's about making machines smart and giving them the ability to think and learn. We've seen some cool examples, but there's so much more to explore. And one of them is how AI different from human intelligence. Humans, we have feelings, joy, sadness, love. We're creative, imagining new things. We learn from life, from doing. AI, the super fast with data, like numbers and words, can see patterns we miss. But it doesn't have our feelings or common sense, knowing things without being told. Think of poems. A human poem feels real. An AI poem is well written, but different. Humans, deep. AI, fast. Both are smart, but in their own ways. Now that we know how AI and human intelligence are different, in the next chapter we will learn how AI gathers knowledge. Stay tuned.